Hey Harry Potter fans, today we are going to play some Toilet Flush. I got my cousin Alea with me today. Hi. Say hi. Hi. She's just in a vest top, it's okay. So Alea, she don't know this game works, but I do. So you flush this down until it makes a noise, and then you gotta roll it. I know it. I saw it on YouTube. You gotta roll this. Yeah. And if your lid goes up, you'll get squirted with water. If it goes down, you don't. Okay? Okay. So. But we're gonna eat because I saw on YouTube you have to eat dog poo. No. That's a different game. Okay? Are you ready? You can see both the toilets, just in case we don't see us. Ready?
Start.
3, 2, 1, spin. Are you gonna get squid? Both of us are supposed to spin it, Leia, okay? Okay, both of us are supposed to spin it, okay? Ready? Yeah. Got squirted. Alea, come a little closer to the camera. Come on, because I can see you otherwise. That's my cousin right there. Ready?
Red.
We are both the youngest out of our sisters and brothers.
Why do you think it's red?
No! Yes! Ah! I just got squirted! Yes!
Oh, red, that's the game I'm in.
Yeah, good girl. Ready? I'm going. That's a strap. Oh my tattoo! Get out the way! Just my sisters. Ready?
So many people are going to go.
Alea, you might have got to play spin fast. Okay, right now I'm getting a little thirsty.
Me too. Clicked on me on accident. Okay.
No. That's the game to drink, okay? This one is the game. This one's mine, no.
Click play again, Coach. Right?
Yeah, me just do it. So this is how the game works. You spin it, and then someone's got to spin the toilet, and then the music will start. And if you think,
Nice YouTube video.
Just
interrupted.
Just my uncle. I'm just gonna
Subscribe to Walsh Gaming.
Yeah, subscribe to Walsh Gaming.
Is that your code?
Yeah, that's it. Oh, here, move out.
Wait,
the way.
no.
There.
I'll type it
That's
in.
yours.
I'll type it in. I'll tell you.
Also subscribe to Alexis Nook.
No, don't subscribe to her.
Yes!
Hi guys, are you alright?
Bye.
Don't subscribe
Oh, I didn't get squirted. No, guys, stop. I get it first. You guys are annoying. Lay ready?
Start you. Cool. So, come back home now. Come back home.
Lexi got squirted. Don't go right at the candle, okay? Ready? So we wait until it goes back to, and they both go equal sizes, and we squirt it, and then we start. Hey, you gotta come back. Or you're gonna ruin this, because that's getting wet. No, because I don't want to get squirted. Yeah, because she's bad doing it. Ready? I just got squirted for no apparent reason. The game.
Join. No.
Wait.
Just press stop.
No. Wait.
This is my most viewed video.
It's a super game.
54 views. I got 60.
Play properly, or I'm gonna end the video here, guys.
Subscribe to
I got squirted. Oh, now I'm gonna get demonetized.
Subscribe to Walsh Gaming.
Don't. He's annoying at it.
No, trust me. Yo,
That's money.
54 people love it. What do you have to do?
Just wrote it.
Don't subscribe to Alexa. Oh, I'm cool. Unsubscribe. Trust me, she's bad. She's not. I mean, yes.
I'm really good at Among Us. I'm really good. And I am really good at Among Us. She's never played Among Us. Ready? Spin. Come on, let's go down. Play cocky because you just made Do you want to refill them up?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to refill hers up because she's run out of water. So yours. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What?
Listen to what
I got killed by green. Lex, can I go on Mario Kart?
No.
Why? You like Cody?
Yeah. You want to play on the Roblox?
I'll be back.
Ready?
Subscribe to us gaming.
No!
Cody, go.
This is the last round, guys. We'll have this round and then the last. This is our last round we're going to play right now.
I
Because
didn't get
we're
squirted.
going to stop it and we're going to like find a different game to play. No, so I'm going
I didn't get squirted, Lex.
Oh, and also whoever loses at this last round has to drink the entire toilet and actually pee toilet water in here. So.
Have you actually?
No!
Eh. Oh, Alexa got squirted.
I get
No,
first.
the game hasn't started yet. Ready?
I got my heart.
Go down, go down, go down. Spin fast like that.
Lexi!
So we'll replay this round, yeah? Want to replay this round?
Yeah. I ran out of water.
No, you haven't. Okay, this don't count, guys. Something happened. Okay, we're gonna replay. Ready? Whoever loses us this round has to drink toilet water.
Disgusting.
No, spin fast like this.
Where is Darius? Bowser, let's go.
I gotta drink toilet water. Okay, so I'm gonna take. I have to drink Claire's too, because hers is also filled with toilet water. Okay. Oh, it's gonna feel so disgusting.
Let's say you're actually drinking it.
Psych is actually real water. I wasn't drinking toilet water. But do you want to still drink this?
Yeah.
Okay. We're both gonna drink it now. We're gonna
I
drink
got
it
my
now.
heart in the bag. Guys, leave a like if you know Juice WRLD.
Who's Juice WRLD?
Rapper.
Oh yeah. No, we can't play now.
I got my heart in the bag.
Put it. Oh, put that in.
Injury, crocodile, alligator. I said the movie like movie theater. Cause when I watch me play this.
Let's send an update on that.
One
Beast.
Okay, Aaliyah,
So
go
what's
to
the
the sink and empty this. Guys,
Oh.
goodbye. We'll see you in the next video.